Yeah, it says spectating over there. See, there's uphill. There's an uphill.
Yeah, but we're trying to figure out.
I can hear it.
There's more uphill. Holy.
Yeah, it's called an uphill for a reason.
I want to hurry.
Dude, you're not gonna get ran over.
No, I was gonna come. Look.
Oh my god. Alright, this way, Ryan. This way.
Ryan, there's a big table, honey. So. What's the access area?
This is access to the house over there.
That'd be so crazy.
Hey, where's that lake?
Lake? Oh, it's all the way over there.
How
Yeah,
do
you
we
ain't
get
going
there?
nowhere, bub.
Oh, it's called just go through the way we literally just went through. Looks like your face. Oh. Hey, yo, don't look at me. Yo, look at that. Look at that. It's so cool. I just caught that on record.
I'm telling you, you can find one.
I can't. I have to ask. I'm too scared to.
You're such a chicken.
Dude, it just went that way.
Yeah.
Yo, I would have wanted a better look too. I just got my favorite pants dirty.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. It's my favorite pants.
Oh, yeah, you did. Oh boy.
Paulette got it dirty Friday before school.
Tires. Wait,
Can we go through another way? These are mine. Paulette just stepped on it because I made her mad.
I'm like, how did she wear your
There you go. Feel better?
A line, a line, a line. I want to get a better look. They're not going through this way again. All right.
Up the hill, guys.
Yeah, let's go up the hill.
Come on, pumpkin.
Oh, pretty tall.
Well, that's the house with the pool.
With a pool, dang.
Oh, they've had this
Yeah,
house.
that's why we hear the pump going.
I remember this house when they bought it, back when I was your age.
So 12?
13 or 12, one of the 2 years.
Look how steep this hill is.
Kind of reminds me of mine. It kind of reminds me.
Yo, we're missing out, bro. We're missing out. It's so steep. We're literally going up so slowly. That's how steep it is.
Oh, even the roots are falling.
Yeah, it's because the roots can't hold the control button, right?
Uphill man up.
Look how steep that hill is.
I know, it's steep.
You have to full on sprint.
Pretty steep, actually.
No, okay. You go in here.
Oh, yeah. his beard.
Ryan, don't get too close.
Get close. Oh yeah, I caught this on camera. Now that's illegal right there. Jeez, why is it so large, bro? Oh, it makes the A. A. That's easy to know.
Ollie. Look, they just shaved the entire part. Look at the naked side. It's just like, I'm so lonely.
No, it's like an 8. Like, think about it. It's kind of like a medicine because you could tell, like, it's like kind of curvy. And then it goes like around, and there's like.
I didn't know A's have a little line going across them. Look at all the
A's have a line across them. You never have seen it. It's an uppercase A.
Yeah, be careful.
That's a Q.
It's an uppercase A. Actually get it right.
Why is there a line coming to it?
Okay, can these people hurry up?
They're not gonna hurry up. What?
They need to hurry up.
They're not gonna.
Do they even know their way?
Ryan, Andrew,
Andrew?
Jordan, you better
No.
back your butt up right now.
Because there's
The
a
high grass. Ryan, look where it's at.
step back now.
Come on, now.
Step
That's
back.
really steep.
Either do it or you go back.
There
with
are
normal.
listen. There's dirt bikes that come and go.
Yeah, that's
I'm
excellent.
not.
That's
Don't
what I'm
go
saying.
past this point.
Ryan, you wanna lose your phone?
Stop moving. She's locked in. Yeah,
Dang, bro. Yeah, I'm videotyping, bro. You don't want to get in my way. I'm locked in on videotyping, bro.
Ryan, don't get any closer. Come on now.
And then they disappear. Out of the wilderness, even though I can still see them.
You want to go back to Grandma?
Please grab him. There is freaking
Ryan, don't run.
Andrew Jordan.
Oh no, I need. This is a huge, gigantic place, not gonna lie.
No, Ryan is not that way.
Oh, he's running back. He got to run. I just hit a fly.
You're gonna be in big trouble. You realize that, right? No. You are. You done made him mad.
You're cooked.
Ow.
You're done for.
Doesn't see me.
If he doesn't see you, he was already going up the hill, bro. I'm not gonna lie, these motorcycles kind of take forever, but it's fine. I mean, like, there is another thing that's going on today. I heard that there's another one at like 1 or 2 p.m. So, even though it's literally like 11, I was gonna help with the food, but then I was like, oh yeah, I want to record these dirt bikes. They're so cool. That's what I wanted to do.
You and I.
you go downhill.
That's mine now for the rest of the weekend.
Why?
Your attitude and you run away. I think it's funny. Molly, don't go any further.
See the motorcycle.
That's fine.
I just went down to look because I heard him down
She thought
there.
you were running away, so I had to chase after you. Because you are said to want to go home.
Ryan, if you go over the trail, they will hit you.
If you go down that steep of a trail, you're gonna have broken bones.
I can't even fall. The
Oh,
hill's
go.
not even that deep.
That will break bones. But don't tempt fate.
Yeah, your body can't, like, there's some steep parts where your
There's
body
also,
could trip and then you could fall on your head or something.
there's also roots and rocks in there.
And have I ever fell down a hill?
Yes. Yes, you
Yes,
have.
you have.
Name one.
I,
Do you remember when we went hiking?
right,
Where was that at that we went hiking at?
back away
I
from the
don't
tree
know.
line,
Where
please.
that waterfall was? You fell in that.
There was
You got
also
wet.
That was years ago.
You still
there was also the flooding incident.
Oh yeah.
All 5 of them.
flooding down the hill, remember?
Yeah.
What is Anya doing? No! Anya!
She got on the
Huh?
wheels.
How?
The wheels are covered in mud.
And she decided to reach
Please have that one for now. We don't have a diaper bag.
No, we don't.
So that means we have to go back.
Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, let's go.
We need favorites.
Huh?
Hey, it was fun while it lasted.
It's fun while it lasted.
She's covered in mud.
There's a tomato!
Yeah. There's a garden right beside you.
Oh my lord. There's more to it. It looks great.
Jeez, there's a big spider web.
I know.
Dude, I hear a dirt bike or a motorcycle, whatever you call it over there.
Motorcycle?
It's called a dirt bike. They're not a motorcycle. Motorcycles are like sport bikes.
Oh,
Dirt bikes go on top of the dirt and stuff.
Wait, dirt bike is dirt. Made of dirt.
No,
And
what a
motorcycle
dirt?
is made out of
No,
mini
that is not
motorcycle.
what a dirt bike is, bro.
Yeah, you said made out of dirt.
No, not that kind of made out of dirt. It's called a dirt bike because it rides on the
Yeah.
dirt.
Dirt.
No,
Right.
it's made out of wheels, metal, and fuel.
Yeah, dirt bike. Made out of dirt fuel, dirt metal, dirt everything.
It's no. You know what? I give up and try and tell you.
Yay! She's agreeing that a dirt motorcycle.
No, I do
is
not. I'm not
Wow.
agreeing with you.
Yeah, you're agreeing with me that a dirt motorcycle can fit
I'm gonna
in
make
your
sure you
mouth.
get ran over. Yo, no.
Maybe you just compact it into a dirt block and then shove it in your mouth.
Oh my gosh, that was a crazy fall, bro. Driving in my car right after a deer. That's crazy. Or let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go. What is that? Dude, how did he fall? That was like a straight drive right there. How do you possibly fall going straight, but how do you not fall going turning? Like, make that make sense. Like, I'm so confused. But hey, at least he got back up.
Is this a shortcut?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Wow. Yeah, we're literally all the way back in the beginning. You're telling me we could really just do this?
Yeah. I told you guys.
Look.
Oh shoot, we might get ran over. Go. Go. You got this, Ryan. Jeez.
They won't get
I wish
it.
I was in the race, bro. That'd be cool. That would be cool, bro.
Oh, now I get it. You know where all the yellow tape is? That's where the motorcycles go.
Oh, they go into that. They go into that. Okay, I see how it is, Ryan. You just want to see them themselves.
Hey, where's my mom and dad? My mom and dad.
How far do you think they are from us?
I think they're all the way back there.
Probably. The amount of times I've seen a dirt bike on camera is crazy, bro.
So wait, what are we gonna do when we reach the truck with the diaper bag?
Probably just wait. Hold on, that truck still has like 10,000 other dirt bikes on it, bro. Yeah, it's cause over there.
Why don't we just take the diaper bag and go put it back?
Give me a second. I cannot grab it.
We just need the wipes. There you go.
Alright.
Guess we wait now.
Alright, I'm done recording now.